Here's how you can stop background apps from running on your iPhone. The first thing you'll want to do is open your settings. From there, scroll down and select General. Once you're in the General settings, find and tap on Background App Refresh. If this feature is turned on, it allows apps to continue using your Wi-Fi or mobile data even when they're not actively in use. I recommend disabling it for better performance and battery life. After that, if you exit the settings, the app doesn't actually close. It continues running in the background. To fully close it, swipe up and to the right on the screen. This action will bring up all the apps currently running. Now, to close them, simply swipe up on an app. Or if you want to do it faster, use 2 fingers to swipe up on 2 apps at once. Or even 3 fingers to close 3 apps at the same time. Once you've done that, you've successfully disabled Background App Refresh and closed all the apps running in the background. Hope this helps. If you found this useful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It really helps me out. Thanks for watching.